In this video, I'll show you how to type bold text on Facebook. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's jump straight into this guide. Just a quick note, the methods in this video are going to work on all different types of platforms on Facebook, including mobile, desktop, and of course, iOS and Android, they're all the same. So the first thing you want to do is go and start by posting on Facebook. Just go and tap on what's on your mind, and then we get this create post box here. Then go and type in what you want to go and post. So I could do hello there, just like so. And then all you need to do is go and select the text you want to go and make bold. So go and tap like that and then go and press select. And then just go and select all the text you want to make bold. Now at the moment we can't do this inside of Facebook, but don't worry, there is still a way to go and do it. We just do it outside of Facebook and then bring it back to Facebook. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So go and copy the text just like so, and then you want to go and close off of Facebook and go and open up a web browser. So that can be Google Chrome, it can be Safari, it can be any browser you want. I personally use Safari as just the default browser on my iPhone. Then all you want to do is go to a website called yatext.com, as you can see in my URL bar. And then you want to go and find the text you'd like to go and use. So in this case, you want to go and use bold. So scroll down until you can go and see the bold text. So I want to go and use bold sans. So I'm going to go and tap on the name just like so. And then you want to go and scroll down and we'll go and find the text box just here. Then what you want to do is go and paste in what we just copied. So tap once and we should get a paste option, or right click from computer. Then all you need to do is go and press copy next to one of these. So as you can see, once again, I got bold, serif and sans. Then go back to Facebook. So I'll just swipe back just like so. And then you can go and delete the text you previously selected on your Facebook post. Then go and paste it in just like so. And as you can see, it's then bold, and that's literally it. And of course, you can go and use all these other types of text as well, and all different types of sort of formats there is, and then we can just go and post it. And that's literally it, guys. As you can see, it's now posted looking bold. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.